Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for navigating Facebook on your PC. In today's video, we'll show you how to allow people who are not your friends to follow you on Facebook. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by visiting the website or launching the app on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Now, click on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Settings to proceed. Step 5. From the left-hand side, locate and click on Privacy to manage your privacy settings. Step 6. Within the privacy settings, find and click on Public Posts. Step 7. Next to Who Can Follow Me, click on the button. Step 8. Finally, select Public to allow people who are not your friends to follow you. By following these simple steps, you can expand your reach on Facebook and connect with a wider audience. Remember to adjust your privacy settings according to your preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking.